Press 1 on the numpad to go to the front view. If you don't have a numpad on a laptop, for example, you can go to View, Viewport, Front. Alternatively, you can hold Alt while orbiting the viewport until it snaps into the front orthographic view. Before dropping reference images into Blender, make sure that they align in the image editing software that you like. Save them as separate, clearly named images. Drag the front reference image into the front viewport. Press Alt-G to reset its location. Drag the side reference image into the side viewport. The more views you have, the better. I personally like to enable transparency and reduce the opacity. If you don't want to see the reference images in perspective view, simply uncheck Display Perspective. That way they are only visible in the orthographic views. Select the reference images and press M, then choose New Collection. This way you can turn off the selectability so that you don't accidentally select them while modeling.